Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Please make sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Medical videos don't always come up in search, so that bell is the best way to see great content. First, we have an incredible dental plaque removal clip. Dental plaque is a biofilm or mass of bacteria that grows on surfaces within the mouth. Next, we have a person who is using pore strips to unclog the pores on their face. I personally recommend a high-quality carbon mask for jobs like this, and I'll put a link to my favorite mask below. Reddit's top pop this month was this pop by user SwagLife. Click like for him for sharing this cyst removal clip. Here's a series of photos of a 2-year-old child that has a blister on his hand. Sorry folks, there's no video footage of this ER emergency. What could have caused this? Leave a comment below. Going back to clogged pores, wouldn't you like to see this nose cleared up with a carbon mask? We'll see if we can get that in a future video. Now let's take a look at my favorite black carbon mask. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.